We support the request for...
The supremacy battles between the National Assembly and the Senate could deal county governments a major blow, as they may have to wait for 1 more month before getting their funds. During today's hearings on the case filed by the Speaker of the Senate, Ekwe Ethuro, Senate's lead counsel, Kioko Kilukumi, argued that the Senate cannot commence debate on the allocation of revenue bill until it is clear whether to distribute 210 billion shillings passed by the National Assembly or the 258 billion shillings proposed by the Senate.
The matter has assumed some urgency. The urgency arises from that the division of revenue bill has now become an act of parliament, setting out or distributing revenue between the two levels of government. My Lord, the clients who are the Senate and the Speaker of the Senate do not know how to proceed. How do they divide revenue when there is a question, are we dividing 258 billion or are we dividing 210 billion?
But the Speaker of the National Assembly, lawyer Anthony Njoroge, said his client would require more time to piece together his submissions on the advisory he sought on the 8 bills contested by the Senate, a case that will now be enjoined with the one filed by the Senate.
And one of the grounds advanced for asking for 21 days is the fact that following the passage of the Division of Revenue Bill, there have been subsequent bills brought before the National Assembly to bring all those issues together so that they can be determined, an advisory opinion can be issued in one judgment.
Having set the hearing of the case to be on 8th next month, the Speaker of the National Assembly was given 14 days to file and serve his issues, replies and submissions, after which there will be 7 days within which all the other councils are at liberty to file any further submissions in response to the submissions filed by the Speaker of the National Assembly. It is not clear what happens if the Supreme Court finds the Division of Revenue Act unconstitutional, but the Senate hopes that the President will revert to the bill that was passed by the Senate, with a figure of 258 billion shillings to be channeled to the counties. And as the legal battle rages on, the counties continue the long wait for their funds. Ken Dagor, Obadiah, Citizen Live at 9.